Hi, I'm Tammy Kohlschmidt from Thermography for Health, New York. I have a few tips for you that can help improve your blood flow, your nerve flow, and your lymph flow to your thyroid gland. And it's basically about restoring your flow by relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. So, the best way to start is to just put a hand on your chest, a hand on your belly, and fill yourself up with air. Do at least 3 deep breaths to just bring your nervous system into a nice place. Once you've done that, you're going to shrug your shoulders really high, almost to your ears, and wiggle your head a little bit, and then drop, and let everything relax. Do that at least 3 times. Once you finish the deep shoulder shrugs, you're then going to roll your shoulders as you open your chest, and you can drop your head back. It helps to relax the entire neck. And then after you do the opening, you reverse and roll it the other way. All the while you're breaking up the tension in your head and neck, which increases all of your flow systems. And then the last one I like to do is one shoulder roll as you incline your head towards that shoulder, and it massages the whole side of your neck. That one feels really good. I do that a few times a day. And then the last one, which is kind of fun, take a hairbrush. You could do this any time of the day and just tap the tops of your shoulders and the backs of your neck. My muscles are pretty hard, so I can tap hard and it doesn't bother me. But you'll try it, see how it feels on you. But when you're done with that, it feels tingling and amazing. If you have any questions, contact me at Thermography for Health, New York